All right, the court is calling 2023 CR 5382B, State of Texas versus Elsa.
Here we go, another Texas courtroom showdown. But this isn't just any theft case. Behind those polite yes, your honors lies a story of second chances, bad decisions, and one shocking detail that's going to make you say, wait, she did what?
Morales, can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state.
Lynn Payne for the
Defense?
defense.
And are you Ms. Morales?
Yes.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Going to show you what's entitled court admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Just one moment off the record. So this is the thing y'all gave me. Okay, so put it on October 12th. Okay. We're back on the record. Did you understand you're charged with the offense of theft under $2,500 enhanced?
Quick legal insight. When the judge says theft under $2,500 is a state jail felony, that means this isn't a small-time shoplifting slap on the wrist. In Texas, even repeat misdemeanors can upgrade into felonies. So yeah, stakes are higher than Elsa's bargain total at Target.
That is a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Right. Mhm.
Did you understand that?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in.
Hear that? Deferred adjudication. Basically, Elsa's not officially convicted yet. It's a kind of legal probation. Behave, and your record might stay clean. Slip up, and boom, instant felony. It's like holding a grenade with the pin half pulled.
The state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine.
Yeah.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 1 year in the state jail facility. State is silent on your applications. They're taken in consideration. Grand jury number 812055 and JN 2127782. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State, any evidence?
Your Honor, I submit State's Exhibit 1 of the attachments.
Your Honor, I reviewed these with my client. We have no objection.
All right, state, you may continue to confer. Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. On this case, they're setting it off for October 12th, but really what I need to know is,
And now the judge drops the line that every defense attorney dreads. I just need to know her criminal history. That's code for, I suspect there's a pattern here. Translation, if Elsa's record looks bad, her shot at probation might vanish faster than those stolen items.
need to know her criminal history, and I can make a decision.
Judge, we'd like to present some evidence. The criminal history is extensive. That's why we requested.
All right, so We can just set it for you to present your evidence, counsel. And that way it won't be set off so far into the future. So what is a good date for you?
I spoke to my client and I told her it'd be about 30 days, give or take.
Mhm.
Could we do, what days do you do your PSIs every
No,
day?
you just tell me what's a good day for you to come and we will do it. The state can have the criminal history within a day.
September 21st or September 7th.
All right. Norma, can we put this on September 21st?
Yes. It's not this.
No, all I need is the criminal history.
Okay.
All right, so we'll come back on September 21st.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, if you'll sign the paperwork. All right, and counsel, I will tell you this, on September 21st, your client will need to be prepared to do a UA
Yes, sir.
on that date.
No, I see this before the paperwork is.
Are we here for sentencing?
Yeah, Judge, we're here for sentencing. You see at the check page, apply for probation. There's one letter of support. I would like to submit support from her daughter.
Okay. All right, who is the prosecutor on this case? They know. Yeah. All right, court is calling 2023 CR 5382B. I'm sorry, what? Hi. There's a lot happening. So everyone, this is what we're going to do. When we're on the record, don't approach the court coordinator because they're too close. If you want to approach the deputy and have them bring your person out, you're more than welcome to do so. Court is calling 2023 CR 5382B, State of Texas versus Elsa Morales. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
Defense?
Glenn paying for defense.
And are you Miss Morales?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you entered a plea on August 14th. You entered a plea of guilty, applied for deferred adjudication. The state is asking that your punishment be assessed at 1 year in the state jail facility. They're remaining silent on your recommendations and they're taking certain cases into consideration. Have both parties had a chance to review the PSI report?
Yeah, there actually wasn't a PSI created in this court. You asked to reset. We asked for the PSI to get the letter, then you just wanted to see the criminal history.
Yes. So is there criminal history available for the court? Thank you. All right, the court has reviewed the criminal history. Defense, do you have any witnesses?
Judge, no witnesses. Like I said, we just had one support letter on behalf of Ms. Morales. It's her daughter, stating how she helped, that Ms. Morales helps take care of children, and she was working at a home health care, also supplied money for the family. We're gonna ask that the court grant her probation in this case, and let her continue support of her family.
All right, Ms. Morales, can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Elsa Morales.
All right, why are you stealing?
Okay, this is where the case takes a jaw-dropping turn. The judge confronts Elsa about using a child, yes, a 5-year-old, to help her steal. That's not just illegal, that's heartbreaking. You can feel the courtroom's energy shift from legal to moral judgment in seconds. 5 years old. Let that sink in. A child barely old enough for kindergarten was learning how to shoplift. And the judge isn't just angry. She's disappointed. This isn't about theft anymore. It's about influence. So what do you think? Should Elsa get another chance under probation?
Or the bad choice. I wasn't thinking.
Why are you involving a child in theft? Because it says that this was the MO, go to the store, put things in a cart, and then have a child push the cart outside. So you're basically unwittingly making a child a criminal. Why are you doing that? I mean, your attorney was not there, so he can't answer this question. You did it. You took a child in Target, or as we say, Target. You took a child there, loaded things in a basket, and for that child to know to just push that cart towards all points of sale tells me that somebody told that child, this is what's going to go down. We're going to go in, we're going to put items in this cart, and you just keep pushing it. So why?
I have no words for that.
Yes. And how old was the child that you all involved in your criminal activity who now thinks it's okay to engage in criminal activity?
5 years old.
All right. So you took a 5-year-old. And what day of the week was this? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, what day?
I'm not sure.
All right. Was it a school day?
No.